LeBron James celebrating. This is LeBron James celebrating after he made a three with 5 seconds left. This is LeBron James dribbling the ball on Team USA. This is LeBron James dunking it in midair. This is LeBron James dunking it. This is LeBron James dunking it on 2 people. This is LeBron James shooting a 3. This is LeBron James. He got 61 points against the Bobcats. This is LeBron James' jersey. This is another LeBron James jersey. I hope you like watching this. Bye.